In 2026, the digital landscape has shifted from simple applications to autonomous ecosystems. The era of just writing code is over. We have entered the era of the architect. Today, we are deep diving into the technical blueprint for a global SaaS empire. This isn't just about a website, it's about creating a living, breathing system that solves problems while you sleep. To understand how to achieve true financial scalability, we must first understand the infrastructure of the future. Every great AI system requires a memory. In our 2026 stack, MongoDB isn't just a database. It is the long-term memory for our autonomous agents. Using vector search and Atlas, we can store complex embeddings that allow our AI to remember user preferences and past interactions in real time. This horizontal scalability means that as your user base grows from 10 to 10,000, your system's intelligence grows with it. Moving to the backend, Node.js and Express remain the gold standard for high-performance AI orchestration. We utilize asynchronous task queues for heavy lifting. This is where the agentic workflow happens, where code becomes capable of making decisions and creating the central nervous system of your digital asset. The front end is where the value becomes visible. In 2026, React allows us to build interfaces that aren't just functional, they are premium. Using libraries like Framer Motion and Tailwind CSS, we create a luxury UI. High-ticket clients expect an experience that feels like a 5-star hotel. The true power of the 2026 MERN stack is its ability to connect to the global brain, the massive models that drive modern intelligence. Fact 1. Micro-SaaS platforms built on MERN have a 40% higher acquisition rate. Fact 2. AI-integrated apps see a 60% increase in user retention. Fact 5. 80% of new wealth in the tech sector is being generated by small, highly automated teams of 1 to 3 people. Building this system is the ultimate path to freedom. When your code is the worker, you are the owner. Today we covered the what and the how. Tomorrow we move into the action. The future belongs to those who build it.